Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atineke and this is my daughter. Her name is Alimat. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this gorgeous mini twist on Alimat's natural hair. Just showing you her from the beginning what I'm going to be using. So I've already showed you what I'm going to be using to moisturize her hair. That lovely product, and I'm going to make use of my DIY oil. So these are the two things I use to moisturize her hair, which is very easy for me to comb after I use that. So at this back, her hair is kind of small, not the same length with her other hair. So I'm going to be using Brazilian wool to make this back, just these two sections, the left one, the right one, and the front, some places where her hair is not the same length with the rest of her hair. So the mistake I did was using 4 strands of Brazilian wool to make this twist from the beginning. I unraveled the hair off camera, then I twist with only 2 strands. Just keep on watching, you see where I twist the front with only 2 strands. That is going to give me the same size of the normal hair I'm twisting. It won't be bigger. You can see that the one I did at the back with 4 strands of Brazilian wool is bigger than me using a natural hair for this twist. This twist does not really take time. You can say that it's tiny, yes, but it does not take time and it's very easy to take down. The only thing that makes this twist to take time is me adding the bead. You know, adding the bead towards the end of the hair is not an easy task at all. So now I just keep twisting the hair, just normal twisting, nothing. I love the outcome of this hair. The hair was so beautiful. That is why I love keeping her hair natural. I don't want to relax her hair, so that I can do different kind of protective hairstyle with her hair. So guys, please do not forget to comment, like, share. Let's interact in comment section below. I know lately I've not been uploading on my normal days. School things, they've already resumed, so I'm really trying my best. Let me know if you're enjoying the content I'm creating for you guys. I'll be really happy to hear a very lovely feedback, and anything you think I'm not doing right, please let me know. I'm not too big for correction. So just twisting the hair, yes, twisting. Even though if we don't know how to make hair, just buy a doll head where you can use to practice. Before you know it, you'll be good. Yes, I know it's not easy, but if you keep trying, you won't know when you get there, because to pay like 40 euro or 50 euro to make a child hair outside the country, it's not easy. So you have to learn how to make hair. It's very important if you have a daughter. This was the front part I was talking about, me using only 2 strands of Brazilian wool to twist those sides, because those sides are short, so I have to look for something to do. And I finally used this Brazilian hair. It was not even different from her hair, so you're going to see it at the end of the video. So I just keep twisting. That is what I'm doing. I really love the outcome of this hair. I know I said that earlier. So after finish baking the hair, these are the beads I'm going to be using. How I wish I could use this bead too, but I just use one because I don't want it to be too heavy on her head, because I'm going to be fixing bead towards end of all the hair. So just fixing the beads down before I start using rubber band to hold the tip. And let me tell you something, if your daughter is going to school, you have to look for the very strong rubber band to hold the tip of the hair, so that the bead won't come off in school. You know, children, they like to put something in their mouth, so someone has to be careful when doing this kind of hairstyle. So that is why I love using a very nice elastic rubber band to hold towards the end of the hair, because I don't want to get into trouble. So you understand what I mean. So that is what I'm doing. After doing that, I'm going to be using this olive oil mousse just to rub. That is how I protect it for every morning. I use olive oil mousse and oil sheen. I'll rub it with a little bit of oil. So that is what I do in the morning. Very easy and protective hairstyle to take to school. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your loved one. See you in my next video. Bye. I love you. Mwah.